Well, it's time now for our special segment. Nimesh joins us. Nimesh, tell us, what are you picking up in D-Street Chatter? The headline index may not look good, but it's been a good day actually for the broader markets.
Well, Nigel, a good day for the broader markets, but though the markets have recovered from the lows, the institutions are better sellers. That's the key message from the large daily rooms, that there is selling pressure. Of course, it's dominated by technology names, but even having said that, there is some bit of recovery in the mid-cap IT names for sure. Look at Persistent, for example. That's recovered almost 6% from the day's low. So while flows are negative, there is a bit of recovery as well. I guess the next 2 weeks are going to be very, very important from a technology point of view, though from the quarter four earnings, commentary, as well as the flows as well. Looks to me like, today's selling is not over. The kind of flows which have been reported by larger institutions looks like that large selling pressure may just continue for the time being. And so individual numbers will be very important within the IT names. As you rightly pointed out, the broader markets have been relatively well. So X of IT, things have been much better. And within that, the one big theme which has played out today is the mid-cap banks. Both PSUs as well as private banks have done well. Even something like an NBFC like, AB Capital has done very well today and on good volumes as well. So there is some bit of money getting changed now within the financial names. That's the overall feedback. On the technical side, 17,850, 17,900, we've been talking about it, is a big resistance on the upside. So that's the level to watch. But I guess today's, while recovery has been smart, the FIs are better sellers. And the big theme would be the flows and the news flow in the technology basket.
We'll watch out for that data point, Nimesh, because last 10 sessions, the FIs have been showing us the money. Maybe they're taking their foot off the pedal a little bit in the near term. But what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
So today the first stock on my list is Infosys. That's one stock which has hardly recovered from the day's low, and there are good volumes as well. And I believe there is strong FI selling, in that particular counter on the back of weak quarter four. So today's FI number will also get skewed because of large selling in the IT basket. So that's something to track. The second stock is Bombay Dyeing. That stock is buzzing in trade and on good volumes. And I believe the street is anticipating some sort of a monetization of a land bank. And that's the reason why that stock is buzzing in trade today. So that's the second one. The third stock is NTPC. Within the PSU basket, this is one stock which is under pressure and on good volumes. Over the weekend, there was BofA Securities downgrading the stock to underperform. So that's putting some pressure as well. I guess, the big trigger to watch in NTPC would be the monetization of their renewable energy assets. That's been going on for a while now. So quarter one is when Street is expecting something. So that's something to track in NTPC going forward. And the last stock is Z Entertainment. That stock is under pressure today. We had a clean out trade wherein Invesco sold out its entire stake. So that supply overhang is out of the way. But I guess the bigger reason is, looks like the way the NCLT hearings are going on, the merger process may take another 3 to 4 months. And that's the reason why that stock, even after the clean out trade, is under pressure today.
Okay, thank you very much for that, Nimesh. Let's